Girl, I didn't come to play today. I did not come to play today, but I did come to slay. Okay? Yes, do it like it's your B-day. Y'all better act like y'all know what.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, y'all? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all better act like y'all know. Y'all know this wig company always come through for your boo. For y'all too, okay? So act like y'all know. So what's up, you guys? What's up? It's a MyFIrstWigs wig, girl. But damn, boom, boom, shakalaka. We about to look real cute, okay? Y'all already know MyFIrstWigs. They are for beginner wigs, girl. They for beginners. They for novice. They for hootie hoot and the blowfish. They for everybody, girl. They for everybody. You are new to wigs, girl, and you don't know what to do, then I'm pretty sure that you might want to try one of these out. You know, you have done it all, then you could still rock one of these. That's what I'm saying. They for everybody. Like you guys. MyFIrstWigs, okay, for beginners. Quality wigs for everybody. They come to you with a nice clean hairline. If you want them pre-bleached, you can do so. I mean, you do have to do a couple of things to the unit. I mean, maybe I should show you. Like, I'm gonna show you how she came to me, and then I'm gonna show you what I had to do to her, okay? Y'all know MyFIrstWigs be coming through. They got bonnets, okay, honey? So definitely big head friendly. Drawstring, honey. Drawstring for those who got the big heads, all right?
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now. Lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone. Still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone. Still missing you. Hey, yeah. Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now. Lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. Yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone.
All right, you guys. All right. First of all, ladies, do y'all see this lace? This air lace, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. Okay, this lace is air lace, baby, which means it's going to melt and it's going to mimic scalp-like appearance. Girl, you know what MyFIrstWigs, they always got you melted, prepared, looking good. Hunties, definitely check the description box for this unit because it is everything. The color is a beautiful, rich caramel brown color all the way through. Deep, deep, deep bleached knot, so that way you don't have to do anything, girl. And if y'all are wondering what is air lace, like I said, it is lace that will melt in your skin, honey. You will forget that you got on a wig, honey. You will thank me later, honey. Girl, you will look again on My First Wig's website for another air lace wig of another style because you love this one so much. Okay, first of all, baby, the first thing you need to do is make sure that your hairline is clean prior to adhering any wig. As you did see me wipe real quick. Now what I'm doing here is adhering that hairspray. This is the method that I choose to do. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but if you do prefer to adhere your wig so that it'll stick on all day, tomorrow, and the day after that, then I would definitely say try out the Aussie, but follow the instructions of letting it adhere properly, meaning you want to at least spray 2 to 3 layers of your favorite hairspray and then let each layer get tacky before spraying the next layer on. And then, girl, you can lay down this lace wig down. Now on the left side, you do see me preparing the wig, and I did want to share that with you guys because I didn't want to get on here and just show you it already styled. You do have to put in your own work, just a little bit, not too much. You will need to curl and style your unit, but it will come already naturally pre-plucked for you. It'll have it bleached if you decide to order it like so. Honey, this is air lace. It's nice, thin lace, but also very durable. Now I like to use this Marc Anthony Strictly Curls styling foam. However, it is for curly hair, but I find that it works really well with just laying the sides down like you see here. So I do brush a little bit of it on just to lay down my swoop hairs, baby hairs, sideburn hairs, and if I choose not to have any, I just use it just to lay the hairs down so that way they just lay flush to my actual, skin. Now on the left, I'm using a different type of styling mousse, and that's the Got To Be. This will help smooth the hairs down, and it also helps hold the curl. So I do like to put a little bit of mousse in my hair or my wig prior to curling it. It always helps hold the hair in place. Now, as you see me here on the right, I'm just brushing it down. It came out really, really nice. The color is so rich and pretty. I really do like the color a lot. My First Wigs has some bomb-ass wigs, you guys. You definitely have to check them out. And you can also check out their sister site, which is RPG Show. Now, I'm not the best at doing parts, so you do see me struggling just a little bit. This is a 13x6. It's 160% in density. It's 16 inches in length. You can get this in a different length if you choose to. The scalp looks like scalp, but I'm going to go ahead and use my First Wigs wax stick, which is a flyaway tamer, just to melt it even more and allow the hairs to lay down. I do accomplish this with my hot comb right here. You can get a hot comb, girl, anywhere. Look on Amazon, baby. You can get one. You can get one from My First Wigs also. They have them for sale as well. They also have the elastic bands. They have the wig grips. Girl, they got you covered. One-stop shop, girl. But be very careful when you're using the hot comb. I do prefer to use it on my mannequin blockhead because it's just skin friendly, skin safe. Girl, I ain't got to worry about burning myself. A girl do burn herself from time to time. But look at this wig, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, baby. Do it like you're grown and sexy. Girl, yes. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Now, the easiest part is just combing through. This hair is so slick. Now, the comb that I'm using, girl, you know when you find something and you just be amazed that it was in your collection? Girl, that comb was everything. I really do like it. Had to spruce up the hair, the skin tone a little bit and apply a little bit more of my pressed powder because I did make sure to clean my hairline prior to installing this unit. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. I will see y'all in the comment section, and make sure to add a little hairspray if you want your curls to hold and last. Especially with Aussie, you'll definitely win. Come through. The wig came through. Do it like it's your B day. Do it like you grown and sexy. Like my first wigs always will have you grown and sexy, boo. Okay, every day. Look, girl, up. Okay. Do y'all see this? Do y'all? Hello. This wig came out so cute. At first, I was like, I don't know, because the lace looked a little bit different. It did. But then I had to realize, girl, you already know what time it is with my first wig. Girl, cut it out. Just like cut it out. You already know you in good hands. You in good hands. You are with the masters of the universe when it comes to lace wigs. Between them and their sister store, sister site RPG show, girl, you are in good hands.
Okay.
Girl, look, if you want girl, there's so much parting in this bad boy, like it'll go back to the back of your brain. All right, nice length. This is okay. So this length is different. This is supposed to be 16 inches. I said supposed to be because I'm just saying my first wig 16 inches is more or less like somebody else's 18 inches. Like I'm just being for real, because this back in the day is considered 18 inches. Some websites will consider this to be 20 inches. Okay.
Ooh, is that shape?
Get more for your money. You get more length. You get more density, girl. You get more scalpage. It just look like it's growing out of your scalp.
You're being a bit dramatic right now.
Honey, check them out. Check them out. This color is everything. Girl, this wig is everything. Now, what's so crazy is I think I got this same color wig, but in a different length. I don't know if it's from My First Wigs or RPG show. But honey, when I tell you they have changed the game when it comes to wigs. Like if you want a wig that look like it's growing out of your scalp, honey, scalpage, rootage, okay, rooted to the tutor, then you definitely have to check them out. If you want like the ordinary wig where you got to do a lot of work, then this ain't the website for you.
Ooh, is that shape?
But if you're ready to spend a little bit of those coins, honey, because you know it's about to be the holidays, treat yourself, okay? The holidays, you know you gotta look good at everybody's kitchen table, okay, during the holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, it don't matter, Easter, birthday, do it like it's your B-day, okay? You gotta look good, and they will definitely have you hooked, okay? Girl, this is the color for me, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. Do it like you growing a sexy. I'm just saying. I hope y'all have a really great day. You know, listen, I always know that I'm in good hands when it comes to my first wig. You know what I'm saying? Like, they got like the bottoms of the bottom. Okay. They have really stepped it up. So I'm going to just say. But either way, I will leave all of the information down below for y'all today. Do it like it's your B-day. Do it like you grown and sexy. Stay diva and divolicious. And I will see y'all in the next one to come. I love you all. Bye.
I said what I said.